Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my heavenly babies. I am Angel, and I am back to do a box opening. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. We got another reborns.com here. I am going to do a box opening, a gender reveal, and a name reveal. So let's just get to it. I've got everything covered up so you don't see the names or anything to protect everybody. And we'll go ahead and open it. I did untape it just to get it ready, but here we go. It's got purple and white. So don't quite know yet if it's a boy or if it's a girl because of the way they wrapped it, which is awesome. But maybe once I unwrap, we might know the gender. So let me kind of take a peek. Oh my gosh, cute. Yeah, you're probably going to know immediately. All right, so this baby is a baby girl. Look at that, you guys. It has a unicorn in it. Oh my gosh, this box opening looks so fun. I hope you guys can see this. Oh my goodness. Let me prop this up a little bit better for you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I did not know it was going to come like this because it did say that it wouldn't be a very big box opening. But I don't know. Looks like a great box opening to me. We have a little girl, you guys. A little girl. Let me get out the certificate of authenticity. And we'll go over that after and tell you who this baby is. Now, originally there was a baby I wanted on Reborns.com. It was phenomenal, the price. And it was it was also a baby girl. And it was the lavender sculpt. It was a Reborn Bountiful Babies, I believe, and it was the lavender. And I wanted her so bad. And the way they had it presented, the photographs, they had her in a purple outfit. They had purple flowers around her. It was just phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal. And I was planning to get her. And when I went in to get her, once we were grocery shopping, once we got out of the store and I went to, order her, she was gone. OMG, I was so sad, you guys, so sad. I wanted her so bad. But I am going to be looking for it. I did look at a few other ones on Reborns.com for the lavender. I didn't like the way they looked. I liked this other one. It was even a bald baby, but I still just loved everything about that baby. It could have been rooted, drawn hair, whatever. I didn't care, but this baby looked phenomenal bald. But anyways, I lost out on it, but I started to look and I found this one. And I'm pretty excited about this one as well. I didn't know a lot about the lavender and I don't know a lot about this one, but we will go over it. She is adorable, adorable, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. But the box opening, let's go through real quick here. I'm sorry for all the talking. So we got a couple little diapers. She's obviously small because these are preemie diapers, I believe. What cute diapers. It's got elephants on the first one here. They're kind of floating on a hot air balloon. And the other one is bunnies. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then we've got some presents here. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty she did everything. Oh my goodness, got a baby safety pin on that one. This one's got a little carriage. This has got a little baby thing on it, like a baby block. I cannot believe all the nice things she put on it. This one's got a little rattle. Oh my goodness, what beautiful wrapping. And then this little bag here came with, I'll go over all that stuff with you guys. It's got a bow in here and a couple of passies. And then this beautiful unicorn, look at it, and says, it's a girl. Aww. Oh my gosh, isn't that so sweet? This is one of the best box openings since I did the one from In Love with Reborns. This is crazy how great this is. Because, on the website, it did say that the box opening would be minimal. It didn't say it would be a lot. But look at this. Oh my gosh, I love this unicorn. It is so soft and so pretty. And I love that she put it's a girl on the wrist. Oh my gosh, so cute. All right, so what we will do is we will open her first, okay? And then we'll open the presents. How about that? Let me find out where the little head is. The head is right here. Aw. Let me make sure this is done right. Oh, it goes this way. This way, because that's where the bow is. All right, so let's go ahead and take off the wrap, or the bubble wrap first. Get that off. First off, I love the blanket, okay? I love, 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 love the blanket. Because the blanket is always so special, especially when you get a really nice one like this. And then the bow. Look at the bow, and it's got a big pacifier on it. Isn't that cute, you guys? All right, so let me get this box out of the way and let me adjust her so that we can see her really good. Let's draw in a little bit more now. And I want you to be able to make sure you can see her good when I undo her feet and everything, but make sure that we're in good. I want to just adjust it. There we go. Oh my gosh, how exciting. A little girl, because you guys know I've been getting some boys. I'm a boy mom, but I needed a little girl. So let's go ahead and open her. I just love how she wrapped everything, you guys. I'm going to keep the ribbon. We'll keep all the little fun trinkets because they're fun just, to have or even to, put on things, like make a little keychain for a baby or whatever. But we'll go ahead and unwrap, and hopefully this baby has a diaper on the face. I don't think it feels like it has one. It doesn't feel like it to me. So I'm going to keep the face covered. I'll keep the face covered. Aw, first off, she's in a onesie. Ah, so you get to see her feet. Oh my gosh, look at those feet. Oh, I love baby feet. I love it. I hope you guys can see how cute she is. I'll bring her up to the camera, but she's got very good mottling, very good veining. That I really liked about her. I had seen the veining on it, and it's phenomenal. I have to show you that up close. Wow, her veining is really good. She got a really great vein there. I don't know why, but I'm wondering if she is in frame good. Yeah, she's in frame good. Okay. All right. We can actually pull her up just a little bit farther. But anyways, she's in a little onesie. So we'll go like this, and we're just going to look at the little hands. I want to look at the hands on her. And I want to she seems to have good mobility. I like that. So that's good. I like when they can move good. Now I just have to see. So that one's a little fist, and this one's fisted too, but the hands come down. Do you know what baby this is? Oh my God, the fingernails are phenomenal on this one. I love when they can do those fingernails so tiny. The little white line is just so tiny on it. I will bring the baby up to show you, but wow, she is so cute. And it says, every day is magical with mommy. Aw. Now let me see how the arms do move good. Good. Okay, so it felt like it was a little tight to me. She's weighted really good too. I think I'll tell you her weight and everything, but we're going to go ahead and just show her face. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness, she is so pretty. Oh, mwah, you are so pretty. Oh my goodness. Now, I didn't get the one I wanted, the lavender, but this one, oh my God, it's phenomenal. She's got drawn hair. She's got the little spot that goes in on a baby's head, but her hair drawing is so good. It looks so real. How do I end up with all these babies that have the best drawing on their hair? Let's see the mobility of your head. Okay. Oh my gosh, the drawing is so phenomenal. And she has really long lashes. Oh my God, can you guys see her? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, she's so real looking. Oh my God, she is so cute. I am so excited about this girl. Oh my gosh, sweetheart, you are so pretty. Look at her, you guys. Let me get up close and show you, but let's see. Should we take it out so we can see her coloring on her? Just kind of pull it up. That'll give you an idea. And you guys, I always do videos, put her into rotation. So you guys will get to see more because I'll be taking this off. But let's just come up close to the camera. I just got to see what I see. Look at that face. Look at those lashes. Oh my gosh, and her head is nice and floppy. Look at that hair. Oh my gosh, doesn't that hair look real? Holy cow, look at the ear. Oh my gosh, look at her. Look at the back. Oh my gosh, that is so good. So good, so good. Oh my goodness, look at that face. Look at the arms, look at the mottling, look at the veining. Holy moly, is that good? And then look at the fingertips, what I'm talking about. Look at how good they were done. Oh my gosh, just perfect little white lines. And look at her veining. Isn't her veining good, you guys? And then we'll go to her feet. Look at that vein right there. Spider vein. Look at the little toes. Oh my gosh, so perfectly done. Oh my gosh, she is phenomenal. Do you guys know who this baby is? I didn't even know about this baby, but oh God, look at her little nose is wet. Her nose is running. Looks like she's got a little tongue. It's slightly open, her mouth. Oh, look at that little double chin. Oh my gosh, she is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love you. And she's got kind of a tan color skin. A very beautiful skin tone. Very, very beautiful. She is gorgeous, you guys. So if you don't know, I will tell you, she is a Reborn. She is the Skya asleep. And it doesn't have the information of when she was born or anything. I don't know if that was on the site. If it's on the site, I'll put it. up there for you guys. But if it wasn't, then she was born today to me. But she's the Reborn Skya Asleep, Bountiful Babies, and I got it off of reborns.com. And I love her. Like I said, but I was getting the lavender sculpt. That's the one I originally wanted, was the lavender. But oh my gosh, you guys. Now we'll look at the presents. Let's see what little girl here got, and then I'll tell you guys her name. First off, she got this little cute outfit. Oh, that's adorable. It's a little jacket with this. I actually have one similar to this, but not exactly this print. But it's a little dress onesie, and then it's got the little jacket to go over it. I love these. And it looks like she's going to wear a newborn size. Let's see, what size are the clothing? It says 0 to 3, but I think she could fit into newborn, but maybe she is going to be 0 to 3, but I think more newborn for her. And then I got a couple onesies. Look at that one. Oh, I think she was in the video with this one, in the pictures. I think she had this one on in the pictures, and then this one. And they are the Carters. This is the newborn size. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then we got this little present here. Oh my God, I think it's little booties. Hang on. It is. It's little booties. Look at those, you guys. Aren't those cute? Little pink socks. Booty socks. It says infant socks. Oh, it's so precious. And then in here is her pacifiers. I got 2 of them. One doesn't have the magnet on it. It looks like one does. So we'll see how the magnet works on her. And there was a bow in this little pack too for her head. A headband. I wonder what she looks like with headbands on. I know she's going to be cute with headbands because I love headbands on babies. Aw, it's so cute. And we'll try out this nook. This is an owl nook. And we'll see how it works. Because you never know with like the way these people do these babies, if they get them right. See, this is a little bit heavy for her because of her mouth, the way it is. But there we go. There we go. It's going to be okay. Oh, she is so pretty. And then, of course, like I said, I got the diapers with it. Oh, my gosh. This was a great box opening, you guys. I love it. And I love her. And now let's put the thing in here so you can see that. We'll turn her head a little bit. And now I got to tell you her name. Okay. Are you guys ready? Let's see if everything's in frame there. Yeah. Oh, my goodness. Let's turn it just slightly so you see it's a girl. This little girl is Lavender Elise. That's right, you guys, because I was supposed to get the lavender sculpt, and that's what I was actually going to name her, was Lavender, and I never, ever keep the name. I never do. I did keep the Elijah when I got him, but I never keep the name of any baby. So I was going to name her Lavender. So my heart was so set on the name Lavender, and when I saw her, I thought, perfect. That way, if I ever do get the Lavender, I would change that name then to something different. But everybody meet Lavender Elise, and it's going to be Ellie for short. So L-E, her initials. Like I'm saying Ellie, but it's Ellie, just her initials. That will be her nickname, Ellie. But this is Lavender. Look at how beautiful she is. I hope you guys enjoyed this box opening. We're going to get going so I can snuggles with her. I'm going to give her one more kiss. Mwah. And we're going to let her go ahead and blow you guys her first kiss. Mwah. And then we'll get her into rotation, and I'll do a little spotlight on her and everything after I have some time with her, but we'll get her into the rotation. But yeah, I'm super excited to have this beautiful little girl added to my collection. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you. Mwah. And remember that God loves you the most. Everybody take care. God bless, and I will see each and every one of you in my very next upload.